This video will help you solve problems involving finding the percent increase or decrease, which is called the percent change, and the percent error, which is also called the relative error. In general, we're going to take the new amount, subtract the original amount from it, and divide it by the original. So it's the amount of change divided by the original amount. So looking at question 1. The price of a bicycle increased from $300 to $450. What is the percent increase in the price? So I'm going to take the new price, subtract the original from it, divide that difference by the original. So using my calculator to help me, 450 minus 300 is 150, divided by 300 ends up being 5/10, which would be a 50% increase. Question 2, an item that is selling for $72 is reduced to $60. Find the percent decrease in price. Round your answer to the nearest tenth of a percent. So I'm taking the new price, subtract the original from it, and divide it by the original. So it's going to be negative because it's a decrease in the price. So when I subtract, I get negative 12 divided by 72. Divide it out, I get negative 0.16 repeating. The negative again means it's a decrease in price. So it's a negative 16.6 repeating percent decrease. They tell me to round to the nearest tenth, so it's negative 16 7/10% decrease in price. Question 3. A baseball team has 80 players show up for tryouts last year, and this year had 96 players show up for tryouts. Find the percent increase in players from last year to this year. So I take the new amount, subtract the original from it, and divide it by the original. 96 minus 80 is 16. And then 16 divided by 80 gives me 2/10, which would be a 20% increase in the tryouts. Number 4, the odometer in Mr. Washington's car does not work properly. The odometer recorded 13 2/10 miles for his last trip to the hardware store, but he knows the actual distance traveled is 15 miles. What is the percent error? So measured minus actual divided by actual. So he measured it to be 13 2/10. We're going to subtract the actual 15 and take that difference and divide it by the actual amount, 15. So it's going to be negative because he underestimated, or his odometer was too low. So I'm going to divide negative 1 8/10 by 15, which gives me negative 1200. As a percent, negative 12%. So the 12% error too low. That's what the negative means. Looking at question 5, Kayla's class went on a field trip to an aquarium. One tank had 30 clownfish. She miscounted the total number of clownfish in the tank and recorded it as 24 fish. What is Kayla's percent error? So measured minus actual divided by actual. So she measured it to be 24. It's actually 30. And we're going to divide that by 30. Again, she was too low, so our estimate is going to be negative. When I divide that out using my calculator, I get negative 2/10, which would be negative 20%. So her relative error was 20% too low. Hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.